I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a leap of faith in Descenders. This thrilling maneuver involves launching your bike from a high point and landing safely below. It's all about precision and control. You'll learn to approach the edge, time your jump perfectly, and adjust your bike midair for a smooth touchdown. Mastering this skill will open up new lines and significantly improve your overall game flow. Get ready to take your Descenders gameplay to new heights. Your approach is crucial for a successful leap. Maintain a consistent, moderate to high speed, typically around 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, depending on the jump size. Aim for a straight line off the edge, avoiding any last-second steering adjustments. The key is timing your jump. Press and hold the jump button just as your front wheel leaves the ground. This ensures maximum airtime and control, setting you up for a perfect flight. Once airborne, use your left stick to control your bike's pitch. Push forward to lower your front wheel or pull back to raise it, aiming for a level or slightly nose-up attitude. The ideal landing involves both wheels touching down simultaneously, or your rear wheel just a fraction of a second before your front. As you land, release the jump button and slightly lean back to absorb the impact, preventing a harsh bounce or crash. Smooth landings are key. To truly master the leap of faith, consistent practice is essential. Experiment with varying speeds and jump timings to understand how they affect your trajectory and distance. The bike parks and freeride environments are excellent places to practice without the pressure of a full run. Don't be discouraged by crashes. Each one offers a valuable lesson. With dedication, you'll soon be executing breathtaking leaps, adding a spectacular flair to your Descenders runs. Keep riding and exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.